Are you fired up for justice, exposing the truth in Zimbabwe's struggle? Zimbabweans and regional activists are storming Lusaka on July 11th and 12, 2024. Under the banner, Rise Up Zimbabwe, they demand justice, accountability, and human rights. This massive protest at the Mulungushi International Conference Center targets the delayed SADC report on the 2023 Zimbabwean elections, alleged to be riddled with fraud and irregularities. The stakes are high, folks. Zambia, a crucial SADC member, is more than a backdrop. It's a potential game changer. The demonstration will run from 0800 to 1400 on both days, with extensive security measures to ensure a peaceful yet powerful statement. Why does this matter? The protest's outcome could shake up Zimbabwe's political landscape and push SADC and international bodies into action. So, if you're fired up for change, keep your eyes on Lusaka. The voices of Zimbabweans and their regional supporters could be the spark that ignites a brighter future. Rise up, Zimbabwe!